2022 was another big year for health, and once again, the COVID pandemic helped shed some light on systemic issues that are on the forefront of everyone's minds. We could definitely say with confidence that the pandemic is still one of the biggest topics that our readers are interested in. Everybody was still reading about the variants, the waves, and especially now the vaccines. It seems like the pandemic had really brought to the forefront all of the health issues that were exacerbated by the virus. So the opioid epidemic was one, and substance use disorder in general was sort of at the forefront of readers' minds. Also, the mental health crisis, obviously the COVID pandemic had a real effect on mental health of people who had to be locked down, but also especially on our youth. Most people know somebody or are somebody that have been affected by these topics. More than 250,000 people have died in the past year from COVID. We're still looking at 300 to 400 deaths a day. Then we're looking at something like the opioid epidemic. In the past year, over 100,000 people have died from opioid overdoses. It's incredibly prevalent in our country, and we know it firsthand. We're not just seeing it on the news. And so that's why I think these things are really at the top of mind for everybody right now. Every time we ask a health expert, what do we think is going to happen next year? They're so hesitant to answer. But one thing that they do mention a lot is the fact that the pandemic can change at the drop of a dime. Just seeing how this virus evolves so quickly, we will definitely be getting more variants. But what health experts are just really afraid of is the big variant that is immune escaping, that renders all of our vaccines useless, and then we're back to square one. So that is the big concern for not just 2023, but I guess years to come.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.